Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fits on this device. So now when I swap with my finger to the left, to the right side, here we can see that the Google Assistant is the Google Fit is activated. And if you want to turn off this feature, we should hold for a while our device screen and then tap here on Home Settings. Just then tap once on the Show Google Apps switcher to turn it off. And now when we'll swipe with our finger here to the left or to the right side, we can see that we just successfully turned off our Google Fits feature. If you wanna activate the Google Fits again, go here into the settings, tap to the Show Google Apps switcher again, and now here we can see that the Google Discover is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.